Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for tomorrow Friday. That will be the 13th Friday. The 13th will be quite interesting in the markets. So this is the daily chart of Banknifty that I've opened, where past few days back we had this kind of a view that this head and shoulder is being formed, and if this breaks out, this could be our first target, which got hit on May 9th, and this is the second target. And how do we find the target of Banknifty? Head and shoulder is like taking this entire length and checking this measurement. That would be the target, and you can take it as half target as the first target and the entire target as 2. And ideally, it is this whole thing is one target, and this will be the target 2. But we cannot keep such huge targets, right? We got to be realistic, so we take half, and we have broken this. Today was a nice bearish day. Today was a very good day for put traders. Whoever had bought put at any stage in the market would have made nice money today. And another view that I've been reiterating on my channel based on the monthly CPR, what I've enabled in this indicator is the monthly CPR. I've just shifted to an hourly chart. I've only enabled the monthly CPR, and I was telling that since this previous month low and S1 is broken, see, we came and tested almost thrice and then had a dip. I was telling about this target of 33,500. See, it's because of this view. If you check in my Cosmofeed group as well, I was only giving the analysis for the put trade, like for coming down. You won't see much of the call trades that was there this week. So that's why because of this I was like looking for all the put trades, and some of them worked, and today worked beautifully. So as of now we have come and taken support here at the monthly S2. Now this place will be a little tricky. We'll have to see whether this will break down immediately or we are going to get a bounce. We'll be seeing those levels on our intraday chart. See, as of now on the 1 hour chart, right, it does look like it has taken a very good support. We went down and then we reversed back. It has made a nice wick, but it's still bearish. But there's no any good like a bullish candle showing there'll be a bounce. But according to me, yeah, there could be a small bounce from here. But if this breaks, then the next target we are seeing on the downside. I'll come to our intraday chart where I have all the levels marked. So this is the intraday level chart. Let me just close this. See, if this level breaks, right, that is 33,300, the next good support is over here. This level can act as a good support anywhere between 32,960 and 33,063. So between this 100 points we can take support. Even if that breaks, yeah, then Bank Nifty, the next support is only here where this recent war fall came, right? That is 32,176. So those are the levels that is marked. And today, see, I had marked this level on my yesterday analysis itself, that this is another place where we can take a good support because of this wick. This is how the price action works. See, if anybody is interested in, if a lot of them are interested in understanding how to draw these trend lines, how we get that pinpoint trend lines, right, to draw that perfect trend lines, just hit a like or comment in this video, so I'll know how many people would want to see that kind of a video. I can make one video over the weekend how to draw the trend lines. Now we'll just look at the trade that happened today. See, on this 15-minute chart, see, the best trade was here when the previous day low broke, right? But since 34,000 had a huge put writing and support, so just waited to see if we break 34,000 and trade, because what happens when there's a huge support, a lot of times we break and immediately reverse, right? So just wanted to wait. Was not very comfortable entering here, but if somebody had, based on the previous day low breaking, they would have made nice money from exactly this point where the previous day low broke. I think we fell around 1000 points intraday, sorry, 840 points. If somebody had taken 34,200 put, they would be done for this month in trading. And I had a view that if this level breaks, right, where we were taking support in the morning, that is 33,850, and if that breaks, we could hit the daily R3. A lot of levels are there. It does look confusing, but these are all the CPR levels. We have to use everything. So I did mention that we will hit this, we hit this, and when all these wicks were forming, it was looking like we are taking support over here, and especially when this candle came, right, it did look like we are going to bounce. That's why we'll always have to wait. And when this breakdown came, again I had posted that, see, there was a heavy call put writing at 33,500. That's why I mentioned if this level breaks, right, the monthly R1, then the next target is this. We beautifully hit that. Now even if you see on a 5-minute chart, see, we just came, kissed this line, and then had a bounce, right? And this is the same thing that we shared even in our Cosmo feed group, and today both the targets were hit nicely. Now coming for tomorrow, I'm just going to turn off the CPR and come on an hourly chart. See, there is some kind of a bullish divergence that I'm seeing. See, from this point we have made the lower low, but on the it's still not 100% bullish divergence, and the market is going to bounce, but the formation is there. Why? See, for a bullish, to confirm a bullish divergence, we need a bullish candle. There is no bullish candle at this price, right, at this level in Banknifty at 33,300 on 1 hour chart. If you look at a 15-minute chart, there's no any sort of a divergence that is there, but on the 1 hour chart we are seeing, I'm expecting a small bounce as we have hit monthly CPR. I'm expecting a small bounce from here, and let's see how. So this is the tomorrow CPR, right? See, I'm expecting a small bounce from here, and the level is here 33,900, and the bounce, the second bounce is, sorry, 1 second. See, the first bounce that I'm expecting is at least until here 33,900, or even this area can act as a good resistance. We can even get a bounce from here. And from this recent fall, the last 2 days fall, if we see the fib retracement, right, I'll just put off the lines. Sorry, okay, even fib doesn't come, but looking at this Fibonacci retracement, right, we can get a bounce to any one of this level, that is 23% or 38%, 50%, even 60% bounce is possible. But on an hourly basis, if we conveniently close below this tomorrow, right, below today low, that is 33,300, then probably we'll see lower levels. There's one more weekly pivot that is pending, S2 of weekly pivot, that is over here around 33,100. So if the day low breaks, this can be the first target, then this 33,050. And as of now, the SGX Nifty is, there was a gap down, okay, it's indicating a small, we will have a flat opening. And my other view for tomorrow is most likely we will be, see, after this nice move on the downside today, right, we have a pretty wide CPR, most likely we will be sideways for some time. Like, I don't think we will get a continuous fall like this. We will be sideways, and probably in the end, depending on the global market, towards 12:30, 1:30 is when we might get a breakdown or some kind of an up move. Either the short will cover, or based on the global markets, fresh selling might come and we might dip. So the best trade, the best analysis for tomorrow is just wait and trade. Definitely by 12:1 some chart pattern, something will be there, and that I'll be posting it in our Cosmo feed group. So that's it for Bank Nifty. Right at this moment, I'm not expecting a very quick reversal. See, there's also this gap which might get filled, the gap down that happened today. So as of now, not expecting a very quick reversal. We'll have to wait and see. But the targets on the downside is 33,000, and if we get a bounce, we could get a bounce until 33,900. That is with Bank Nifty. Now just looking at the Nifty chart. See, when the fall was happening Nifty, I kind of expected we might hit 15,373, but we just missed that. Now let me just put on the CPI levels. Even Nifty was a good shot. As soon as this previous day low broke, we came from S1 of daily CPR until S2. This was a beautiful target. Then this was a dip, and we perfectly hit this 50%. And I had posted on YouTube the like an analysis video of the trade, what I did, like trade review. In that I mentioned if this level breaks, Nifty could hit this 50%, and that was achieved, which was pretty good. We'll just look at the Nifty daily chart. See, Bank Nifty still has some fall pending to the war low, where the war news came and we got a dip, right? But Nifty is already there. The next level of support for Nifty is this. We could, if we come down, we could take support anywhere in this region. That's how even previously the price acted, right? See, here we took support, here we got a dip, then here again over here. So anywhere between 15,400 and 15,680 is where next level of support might come in Nifty. But for some reason, if this level breaks, right, then the entire scenario might change. We could probably slip even until here, 15,000 itself, or even this low, 14,800. But not for tomorrow. It's just a view. If this level breaks tomorrow, for intraday levels, if this level breaks, right, 15,600, I'm expecting a small bounce from here. But if this breaks, then the next target would be here, that is 15,500. And anywhere on the upside, we could definitely take some resistance over here, that is 16,040, and also a resistance level over here. This, if we come up here again, here 15,800, we might take some resistance. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty, right, if you check on the daily chart, it's in a pretty good level where we could continue falling or get a bounce. It could just be a small intraday bounce. The market is not going to, I don't think the market will turn completely bullish as of now. So small like see, in this downtrend we got one green candle, again in this downtrend we got one green candle. Like that, a green candle might come, but the trend is still down. So any chart pattern or intraday, any setup that you get for selling, right, buying puts or any bearish setup comes, I think it's worth taking it. So that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's see how it goes tomorrow, and if anything interesting is there, definitely I'll post it on our group. Thank you for watching.